Take command of the road in the 2014 Mazda CX-5. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Mazda infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as leather upholstery, delay-off headlights, heated seats, heated door mirrors, rear wipers, and a blind spot monitoring system. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Mazda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.